After having received various complaints on the deteriorating condition of the Umiam Bridge, the Minister in charge of Power Department, Government of Meghalaya, T Mondal, visited the area to personally take stock of the situation. He was accompanied by the generation team, that from IIT Guwahati and other government officials. While speaking to the reporters, Mondal informed that while the bridge seems to be in good condition from the outside, yet the same has to be tested so as to enable proper assessment of damages that may exist on the inside of the bridge.
We have actually, with full team from generation and also experts from IIT, visited Umiam Dam and inspected. We gone to the proximity of the dam through boat and also went down the downstream side almost 126 feet below. So on physical verification everything seems to be very okay. There is no problem. But still we have decided that IIT should take measures to check, applying all the up-to-date methods to check a bridge like through ultrasound, drop-down hammer method. All these methods will be applied to see the exact position of the bridge. From outside it looks okay physically, but we don't know what is inside. That those can be only done through proper testing and all these things. So very soon we will be doing the testing. After testing is over and the recommendation we get, we will be going for retrofitting. We will change the bearing of the bridge. A company has been roped in the sense they have bid and they are the lowest bidder. We have given the award to them. Now our people will go to the company to see the testing procedure and it will be brought in. And bridge will be closed for 3 to 6 hours on a particular date. We are not fixed that one. So the moment we fix that, we'll definitely let you know also, let the public in whole also, because that day the traffic will be diverted through some other routes to Guwahati only for 6 hours. And next day they can go, but heavy vehicles will be completely restricted, will be not allowed to go. But small vehicles, light vehicles can fly when the retrofitting is done. Then on the day again, when the span will be lowered, the same procedure will be done. So all these things will be covering and giving wide publicity so that people don't feel any inconveniences.